may mga Kuyang Romel Toronto viewers. We are here at Porta in Costco. Line up here for a free pizza tasting.
You need much, huh?
Okay, you can try. This is hard, so please be careful.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Sold out. They can.
This is pepperoni pizza.
Free pizza. Oh, pepperoni. Tastes good. How much the price?
It's 2 for $17.99.
Two in a pack. Yeah.
Yeah, no, the separate boxes. 2 boxes.
Oh, 2 boxes. 1 each box.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Can take any 2, only $17.99.
And how many minutes in the microwave or?
Oven for 10 minutes.
Okay.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording this.
Yeah.
These are the pizza. Oh, there you go. Can I show it to them? Okay. Pepperoni and other flavors, or only pepperoni? They have different flavor. They have margarita, pizza margarita, and they have pepperoni. Come here for a free food tasting at Costco. Pepperoni pizza, sweet, spicy, margarita, mushroom. Thank you.